How to remove ads from Blockblast. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove ads while playing Blockblast. So ads are basically really frustrating when you're trying to play Blockblast. So if you're really frustrated by those ads, then I've got you covered. What you can do is simply go into your settings, and here you need to turn off your mobile services or cellular data. So depending on your phone, you'll have the option of either mobile service or cellular data. Here right now, you can see that I have mobile service option. So what you got to do is just click on mobile service, and if you're using Blockblast on your mobile data or your cellular data, you'll be able to see a couple of applications over here. Here right now, I'm not using any of the applications on my cellular data, but if you're using them, you'll be able to see a list of applications, and over there you gotta search for Blockblast. So if you're able to find Blockblast over there, there'll be a toggle button here in front of Blockblast, and if it is green, that means it is enabled. What you got to do is just click on it and make it disabled. When it becomes gray, that means it has been disabled. So what you got to do is just click on that toggle button, and your Blockblast application will stop running on your cellular data, and after that you can run your Blockblast application without any sort of ads. However, if you're not using cellular data and you're using Wi-Fi, then what you can do is just simply turn your Wi-Fi off and then play your Blockblast game. And after that, you won't be able to find any of the ads, because basically ads only come when you're connected to any sort of internet. So if you're not connected to internet, that means no ads during playing the game. So that was how you can remove ads while playing Blockblast. If you found the story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.